Vision X Silver Aero. A signpost to the future of design. At Pebble Beach in California, Mercedes-Benz is unveiling the Vision X Silver Aero show car during Monterey Car Week, which is being held from 18 to 26 August 2018. The event attracts car aficionados and collectors from all over the world. The one-seater vehicle is also an homage to the successful record-breaking W125 car from 1937. The paintwork in albeam silver is reminiscent of the historic silver Aeros which, for weight reasons, did not have a white paint layer. The interior is dominated by traditional, high-quality materials such as genuine leather, polished aluminium and solid walnut. The digital cockpit, meanwhile, points directly into the future. It includes a curved panoramic screen with back projection, as well as a touchscreen integrated into the steering wheel. The exterior. Sporty silhouette. With its clear, seamless design, the design idiom of the Vision X Silver Aero is a brand-specific embodiment of the design philosophy of sensual purity. The streamlined silhouette of the approximately 5.3 meter long and approximately 1 meter shallow one-seater vehicle is slender yet sensuous. HOT and COOL. The show car's body structure is made of carbon fiber. The multiple layers of paintwork in albeam silver appear like liquid metal over the top. This concept represents the design polar opposites of hot and cool. Functional attachment parts made of carbon fiber such as the front splitter epitomize the cool and rational aspect of this philosophy. The same applies to the front trim designed as a display, as well as the continuous lighting strip at the front. The side skirts also feature a lighting strip, and the large recessed deck lettering in front of the rear wheels is illuminated blue, as is characteristic of the brand. Reminiscent of motorsport. Other highlights include the driver's cockpit, which can be folded forwards, and the partially freestanding multi-spoke wheels. The non-rotating hubcaps and the partial trim on the wheels are other stylish and innovative highlights. The 168 spokes per wheel are made of lightweight aluminium, and are painted a rose gold color, as is typical for AG. The rear diffuser is reminiscent of motorsport. Two extendable rear spoilers act as an air brake by increasing the wind resistance when deceleration is desired. Interior. Between tradition and modernity. The interior of the Vision X Silver Aero represents the values of progressive luxury. The design idiom combines timeless aesthetic appeal with futuristic visions. When the driver's cockpit is folded forwards, it provides a view of the surprisingly white interior. The contrast brings it to life. On the one hand, it uses traditional, high-quality materials. These include saddle brown genuine leather on the seat and steering wheel, polished aluminium throughout the interior, and solid walnut with darker coniferous wood pinstripes on the floor. Panoramic screen and virtual race. The driver of the Vision X Silver Aero is encompassed by a large panoramic screen, on which a 3D image of the surroundings is projected from behind. As a pointer to future possible charging technologies, the lane of the roadway on which inductive charging is possible is superimposed onto the screen. With the help of artificial intelligence, it is possible to engage in a virtual race against historic or present Silver Aero racing cars. For this, a virtual racetrack is superimposed onto the real roadway on the panoramic screen, and the driver sees their opponent either ahead of them or behind them as a ghost. The virtual race coach assistance function helps you become a better driver by giving instructions during the race. Locally emission-free drive system. The Vision X Silver Aero is conceived as an electric vehicle. This soundless Silver Aero has an output of 550 kilowatts, 750 PS. The thin rechargeable battery in the underbody has a usable capacity of approx. 80 kilowatt hours, and enables a calculated range of over 400 kilometers according to the WLTP. Side air vents held to cool the battery. The role model for the Vision X Silver Aero is the W125 12-cylinder record car which Mercedes-Benz built in 1937 on the basis of the Grand Prix racing car. Inspiration. The world record car of 1937. For the new body in 1937, Mercedes-Benz was inspired greatly by the aviation industry. Examples include the recommendation from the development departments of the aircraft factories of Ernst Heinkel and Willy Messerschmitt to shorten the front overhang and to make the front more rounded. The front was also extended further down and ended more steeply at the tip. As desired, this reduced lift on the front axle. A longer and more strongly raised rear reduced lift on the rear axle. One striking feature, and inspiration for the designers of the Vision X Silver Arrow, was the round cockpit glazing modeled on a drop of water in terms of outline and cross-section. Vision X Silver Arrow Showcar World Premiere. The Vision X Silver Arrow Showcar celebrates its world premiere. The one-seater vehicle is an homage to the record-breaking W125 car from 1937. Over 80 years ago, the historic Silver Arrows demonstrated that Mercedes-Benz was a pioneer when it came to speed thanks, among other things, to their streamlined shape, says Gorden Wagener, Chief Design Officer at Daimler AG. The Vision X Silver Arrow draws on that legacy. Intended for acceleration and driving pleasure, it embodies progressive luxury and provides an insight into the future of our design. As a result, the showcar drives the design idiom of our new product and technology brand to the top. The EC brand is shaped by the avant-garde, distinct aesthetic of progressive luxury. This arises from the combination of a previously unknown beauty, the conscious clash of digital and analog elements, as well as the seamless merging of intuitive and physical design.